The ICID, or SIM card number, is a unique 19 or 20-digit identifier crucial for network activation, billing, and troubleshooting. It's essentially the SIM card's fingerprint. Finding it differs slightly between physical SIMs and eSIMs. For physical SIMs, the ICCID is printed directly on the card. For iPhones running iOS 17 or later, go to Settings Cellular, select your SIM, and find the ICE listed. On Android 14 Plus devices, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, SIMs. Select your SIM, and the ICCID will be displayed. For eSIMs, which are now standard on many new phones like the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S24 series, the ICCID is accessed digitally within the phone's settings under the eSIM profile. Remember that as of 2025, most new smartphones support eSIM, but physical SIMs are still common, especially in developing regions. The move towards eSIMs is growing rapidly, driven by convenience and environmental concerns. By 2025, eSIM adoption has seen substantial growth. Key trends include integration with IoT devices like smartwatches and increased security measures such as biometric locks for ICCID access to prevent SIM swapping. Experts emphasize the importance of ICCID privacy to avoid identity theft. Be cautious about sharing your ICE, as misuse can lead to fraud. Looking ahead, the industry anticipates fully virtual SIMs, potentially eliminating physical cards entirely by 2030 in developed nations. Keep an eye on emerging technologies like AI-driven SIM management for automated ICC retrieval and troubleshooting.